Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable auto reply in Instagram. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here's how to do it. Open your preferred web browser and ensure you have a Facebook page associated with your account. We have tutorials available for creating one. Now, open a new tab and search for Meta Business Suite. Choose the appropriate result from the search results. Once you're there, navigate to the Inbox section and select your Facebook page from the drop-down menu where your Instagram account is linked. Make sure your Instagram account is set as business account. Our channel has also tutorials on how to do that as well. After completing these steps, let's get started. Click on the option labeled Automation. On here, you'll find various options such as Instant Reply, Frequently Asked Questions, Away Messages, and Identifying Unanswered Messages, among others. To create your customized automation, click on Create Automation. If you want to set up an automatic reply, choose the first option, Instant Reply, and click on Create Automation. In this section, you can enable or disable the feature. Choose Instagram as the channel. You can customize the automatic message that will be sent when someone contacts you via your Instagram account. For example, you can personalize the Instagram DM with a message like the one shown. You can also add emojis by clicking on the respective section. To personalize the message, click on the icon, mark it up as desired, and select your preferred option. Once you're satisfied, click on Add. Click on Add and save the changes. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.